how to set a custom domain to a blogger website. That is the first part of the video. Second, how to make a naked domain works after setting it to a blogger domain. A domain without www. How to make it work. If you're facing any problem after setting your domain to a blogger website and it's not working without adding the www, this video is also very crucial for you. We have split the video into two parts and you have to follow the steps to the end of this video. Don't miss any step. Hello fam, welcome once again to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. Today we are going to tackle two things. First, how to set or add a custom domain to our blogger website. Second, how to make our naked domain works without www. How to make a custom domain works without www. You will understand this better when we get into the business. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here and turn on the notification bell. Let's get to today's business. You must have a custom domain and you must own a blogger website. So I have created these two tabs. We have these two tabs which we are going to use for today's lesson. First, go to www.blogger.com, log in with that Gmail account. Now you select a blog you want to change the custom domain. So with my case, I have only one blog here. So when you try viewing this blog, so let's view a blog. You can see from the top here, the domain name is www.waghousemedia.blogspot.com, and we want to get rid of the blogspot.com. And before you can do that, you have to buy or get a custom domain. And on our next tutorial, I will show you how to get a custom domain for free. But with this tutorial, we are going to deal with a custom domain. I have one custom domain here which we are going to use. So I have a custom domain bought from GoDaddy. You can buy from Phenom, mydomain.com and other sites. So I have a domain here which is www.waghmedia.com. I'll copy this domain and come back here. So now this is what we are going to get rid of, the blogspot.com. So we come to our home page, then you move straight to settings. Settings under basic. You can see here that set a third-party URL to your blog and change that blogspot.com to waghmedia.com. So click on set up a third-party URL. And one most important thing about setting a custom domain is if you want to apply for Google AdSense and earn money from your blogger website, you have to set a custom domain, or you must have a custom domain. So here we are going to paste our domain which we just copied, which is waghmedia.com. But don't forget to add www to this. So it should be www to waghmedia. Go. You can view the settings instructions here. We will come here later because it's very important and we are going to copy some IP codes from this place. I save. You can see a warning. We have not been able to verify your authority to this domain. So Google have to verify that you own this domain. What we are going to do now is to verify this domain. So we are going to copy all these things and add it to CNAME records, and we have to set A records too. So you have to come to GoDaddy. Come to GoDaddy. And here at GoDaddy, you can come to the top here where your username is, and you click on My Products. Good. Then you come down to where your domain is. So you come to your DNS and you click on that. Then here under DNS, we are going to add records. So here it's very important. You could see among these records, we have two CNAME records, which is the first one, www, and this domain connect. So these are what we are going to change to get our domain verified by Google. So let's come back to this place. So you could see, you read these instructions and you copy this first, CN, target. You copy and you come back to GoDaddy. Then here you click on edit, the first one with the www, click edit. The domain is pointing at, so you highlight and you paste what you just copied. After that, click save. Good. Then you come back again. Then we copy the second one. Copy. Then we come back to GoDaddy again. Then we come to the second CN records and we click edits. Then here we highlight this, Control A and Control V to paste. So you paste what you just copied. But you have to change this host to what Google has given you. So you copy this host. The first one, which is www, was already set. So with this one, you have to copy this. Control C to copy. Then you come to GoDaddy. Then this. Control A to highlight all, select all. Then Control V to paste what you just copied. After that, please click on save. Now we have saved these two CNAME records. We are not done. We have to add 4 A records, which is the IP. You come to your blogger site. Then you move straight to where it says view certain instructions. Down here, click on it to open another tab. Just move down, scroll down here. Good. So when you come here, you will see all these things. So the first IP, second IP, third, fourth IP, we are going to copy all of them one after the other. Copy first one, Control C, you highlight and you press Control C to copy. Then you come here and you click Add. So here we are going to, under type, we are going to select the name of the record, which is A record. You have to select A record. Then host at. So you use the word at. So on your keyboard, type at, pointing to, then you paste that IP. You paste this Google IP and you click Save. Good. We are going to add 4 of this. So we'll go back to the same place. Then we come to the second and we copy that one too. We are going to do the same and follow that same sequence. We follow that same sequence, so you can skip this part. You select A records, then host is at, then points to, then you paste the IP and you click on save. Move here and you click save. So now we are done adding our records and setting up our distance. So we are going to check if everything is working. Sometimes when you click on it for the first time and it doesn't work, you have to wait a bit for at least, let's say, 2 minutes. So now here we are going to save it again and see if it is working. So click save and wait. Boom, settings successfully saved. It means that now we have redirected this www.blogspot.com to www.wagmedia.com. Simple as that. Now automatically you could see HTTP availability has been turned to yes, and you have to wait a bit for this to work, because now when you click on view blog, it will change from Blogspot to WAG Media, but it's not working until you wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So let's wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Then after that we proceed to our next step. So we are here back again, and HTTP redirect is now done, and before we can get our website working, we have to come to this place and we put it to yes. Now you can see changes. Good. Just be patient, wait for at least, let's say, 10 to 20 minutes. So we are back, and it's always better when you are waiting, you close the browser and you come back to blogger.com. then you come to settings to check, or you can, now if you waited for a long time, let's say 10 minutes, I just pause the video so you can view blog, and boom, now you can see here the tab in the search, you can see waghousemedia.com instead of waghousemedia.blogspot.com. If your custom domain is not working without www, this is how to solve it. We are done with the first part of the video. Now we are on the second part, which is how to make a naked domain without www, or a domain without www works. So you come to GoDaddy and you move down to where it says domain forwarding. So you can see domain forwarding. What you have to do is to come to subdomain, and under subdomain here, what you have to do is to type your naked domain, which is wagmedia.com. So I'll just paste this without anything like www. Just clear everything. Just type the naked domain, which is wagmedia.com. Then you come here and you tell them that when this is being typed or searched, it should be redirected or forwarded to this www, the one with www. So now here we are going to clear all this and leave it like www.waghousemedia.com. Then let's click on preview and see how it works. Good, you can see that. Good. So come back here after everything. What you have to do, don't change any setting, leave it as it is and click save. Good. They will send you a confirmation, so. That is their normal feedback message, and everything is working perfectly. Now if you send your naked domain, a domain without www, to anybody on a mobile phone and he clicks on it, it won't direct him to any place, or it won't tell him that this site cannot be reached. It will just open it. This is how to add a custom domain to a blogger website, and it is very important to set a custom domain if you have a blogger website. because you cannot monetize it with Google AdSense if you are not using a custom domain. On our next video, I am going to take you through how to get a custom domain for free and add it to your blogger website and start your blogging. And we will also cover one thing like this. When you come to one of my websites, it's a blogger website which I have built for the one movie. You could see that there will be a Facebook chat bot will pop up here. You could see this. Have you seen that? This Facebook chat, this. So how to add a Facebook chat bot to your blogger website is something very important. How do you see this video or this tutorial? Please, thank you very much for watching this to the end. God bless you. Consider subscribing. Until next time, the one movie says, peace be unto you.